Hey everyone! Since so many of you asked for the recipe, here it is. Today we're going to be making, drum rolls, choco-chip cookies. And for this recipe, everything that you're going to need is mentioned in this list. So go grab all your stuff and let's skip to the steps. First of all, you're going to need 125 grams of butter. Melt it in the microwave and then add 1 cup of brown sugar and half a cup of white powdered sugar. After adding these two, what you're going to do is, using a hand whisk, just mix these two together. Mix, mix, mix. Next up, you're going to use an electric whisk and mix these for about 5 to 6 minutes. Your hand is really gonna hurt after this, but trust me, they taste so good. So mix it till it turns a nice light brown like this. Next up, add half a teaspoon of espresso powder mixed with 1 tablespoon of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. And mix it with the whisk again. It's gonna look like this. Next up, we're gonna mix our dry ingredients together and add it to our wet mixture in 3 batches. Now we're adding it in 3 batches because then all the flour would go flying all over your face, and we do not want that. Unless it's Halloween, of course. So it's almost done. Is it though? Yeah, almost. So next up, we'll chop our chocolate. That was a really bad attempt at editing. Then add it to your dough. You have to make sure that your chocolate is at room temperature, otherwise it's going to be hard for you to chop it. Then add the choco chips and mix it. Yeah, this recipe requires a lot of mixing, but it tastes amazing. Next up, using 2 small spoons, we're gonna make small balls of the dough and keep them 3 inches apart. And in a preheated oven, we're gonna bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. And with the leftover dough, we're going to make small balls, keep it in a baking tray and refrigerate it. You can keep it for up to a month. Check upon the cookie babies. Take them out when they're done and let them cool for about 15 to 20 minutes so they're hard enough. And there you go. Crack one open just because it's satisfying and enjoy your cookies. Also, thanks for watching. Bye bye.